Hello.
We don't know where we're going yet. Fly by the seat of our pants.
We're gonna go kayaking. I have no idea where. We're gonna do a random river trip. Stick. Oh man. Two kayaks, 2 paddles,
2 life jackets.
4 fishing poles, 2 life jackets, fishing tackle, GoPro, check, and check, some water. I think we're ready to go kayaking. I'm using my buddy Shane's inline spinner, custom homemade bait. Licking River special right there on the baby shad. River showing up. What's up?
I'm ready.
Are you?
I am.
Okay. What are you going to use for bait today?
Well, I'm going to use these little maggots and some worms. Try to catch me some little bluegills. Maybe.
Yeah. Gulp.
Yep, gulp.
Okay, so we drove around a little bit, decided what river we're going to, and it's going to be the Licking River. This is a favorite of ours. We've been down this river how many times?
More than we can count.
Yeah, I grew up out here in the Licking Valley area, and the Licking River has been a staple fishing spot of mine for the majority of my young life. Me and friends many times have been down this river, from kayaks to canoes to tubing, walking, swimming.
He's claimed this river is his.
Yeah, this is like my river, so I really hope that I catch fish and I can show you guys some really neat spots. Blackhand Gorge is what we're going to focus on. So we're just going to paddle for a while, get down there, and see if we can put some big channel cat, maybe if we're lucky a flathead in the boat, and hopefully some smallies too. So let's hope we can find a spot to park and get in there and have a good time.
Yeah.
What are you starting out with? Live bait?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Me too. So I'm gonna throw the cast net around, see if I can catch some baby shad. Use that for bait. I think that's gonna be the ticket today, baby shad. Quick tackle prep. We're using the same basic river kit we always use. A couple extra bobbers here, slip bobbers, standard, hooks, a couple little baits, just in case we want to throw for smallies. And that's about it. Well, here we are at the Licking River at launch site. We have the bridges out. That's kind of neat. So we're launching just downstream of the bridge. I've got this battery in this car. Oh, baby.
You got your shirt on backwards.
It's backwards? Yeah. Oh, no. Yeah, I'm just going to take a pink sea for bait. Come on, babe. It feels good.
Pretty good.
It does. It feels really good. It got shallow all of a sudden. All right, let's run over here and see if we can find some bait. There's got to be a shad pod through here somewhere.
All right, we're gonna play what's under this giant rock. Are you ready? Looks like a lot of debris.
Anything good? Ooh, I bet there's a big crawdad in there.
Nope, nothing.
Try another one.
Nothing.
All right, everyone, we're gonna catch bait with a cast net, I hope. So there's shad pods swimming in the river right now. So quick demo. This is the only way I know how to use a cast net. Everybody has their own way. Put the wristband on, make loops all in the left hand. Boom, boom, boom. Pick up all your net. Grab it like these. Lay it like these. Grab another loop there. Lay it like this. Grab another loop there. Just like that. I know that's real descriptive, but this is what you want. Let's go catch some shad. Good grab, look at this. There we go, baby, let's go. Let's go.
The screen's not on anymore.
That's all right. Let's go. Let's go. There we are, that's a good start. I want to go right there. The current spins you right there. I don't know why, but it spins hard. There's a back toe right there, big time. There's big fish right here. I guarantee you laying in this big... This is a giant bait catch right here.
Yeah.
I'm going to park right up in that crotch. Looks like you could almost land a rock if the current wasn't flowing across it. Nice shady fishing spot for today, for a minute. I can pull mine up and out of the way. You can come in with me. On the rock. Well, welcome to Turtle Island.
What's left of it?
Well, here's what's left of Turtle Island. That's it. There is 2 hidden ponds back here. I call them a pond. Once was a river, now like basically a trapped body of water. The river used to flow back that way and come out along this bank and all the way down this nice rocky bank that you see. Watch the guy. So I don't know if you can see over there, there's like a hidden little spot. That's a hidden pond. And behind that, there's another hidden pond. I think it turns to swampland for a little bit after that. But right now, we are sitting on top of a freaking awesome fishing spot. This is a giant rock. The river comes in, pours right into this pocket. Big eddy right here. Big rock bank. Let's try to catch some fish right here. Oh, you got one? Slow it down, don't run out of line. Slow it down. Oh, you got a big fish. Here's your spool if he starts getting too much to the bottom of it. You just kind of grab it. Left hand, holding on to the rod. Oh! That was a monster. Oh, man, that was a big fish. Oh. Man, that was a big fish. Man. Unreal. He had too much. Wasn't even slowing him down, was you?
No.
Oh, man. I told you. Crazy thing is, I don't have a lot of line either. I get on a big fish, and I could be in trouble pretty quick myself. My other pool, on the other hand, I'll let him swim all over this river. He ain't gonna run me out of line.
Maybe we should use that one.
This one's got pretty good braid on it. I feel like I can. Oh, there we go. Oh, fish on, baby. Come on, baby.
On?
Huh?
Is the camera on?
Yeah.
Wait.
Come on, baby. Channel cat. It's not real big, but it's something.
Big enough.
Pretty much. Might need a net catch on this. I'll wear him out.
Yeah.
He's getting tired now. Oh, he ain't done. Oh, baby, come on back up out of it. I don't want him to get around that rock on me. Oh, man. Come on, baby. Oh, get out of the rock, get out of the rock. Oh, come on, baby. We gotta land this one. Oh, come on, baby. What do we got?
Something spicy. It's awful white.
I just don't want to break him to break me off. I can wear him out in this current.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, come on, baby. Yeah, it is. There's a big old catfish, too.
Is it a catfish?
Yes.
Sure?
Wait till you can get a headshot on him. Don't go for the tail.
Okay. Oh, it is.
Oh, it's a beauty. It's a beauty, too. This is a Licking River special right here. Oh, baby. All right. Come on now. All right. Headshot on him. Got him. Got him. Yes.
Ah.
Yes. Whale. Let's go. Let's go. There we go, baby. Licking River special right there on the baby shad, on a bobber in the Big Eddy. Turtle Island, it pays off again. Yes. What a fish. Oh, what a fish. Oh, man, that is so much fun. He is strong. Man, I tell you what, these current fish, they're something. It's probably about like the one you had on. Because, I mean, that was a work on mine. You know what I mean?
Yeah, your pole's heftier too, I know.
We grab them anyway. Okay. Licking River special, baby. Big channel. Big channel on the Licking. Turtle Island. How's that? Yes. I love it. It's so much fun. That fish is eating. Look at the belly on that thing. Whew. Let's let this puppy go.
Here, I'll let you shot.
Oh,
Good shot. Good job.
oh, what a fish. Yes. What a fish. Let's see your treasure, babe.
Well, I have this one. It's green and white. Beautiful.
Yeah, that's a nice rock.
And I have this other weird one. It's kind of red. Real smooth. I don't know what it is.
Cool find.
Cool find. I like to find that.
Well, whenever we're on the river on a sandbar, you treasure hunt. That's just what you do. So as we walk along, we look at the ground and we look for treasures. hidden little gems in the sandbar. Every now and then you find a good artifact, or a good fossil.
In Arrowhead.
Find a nice rock, babe.
I'm trying.
I know when I'm on the sandbar, I'm really good at finding like crap rocks. My go-to is flint. I look for flint and in hopes that it's an arrowhead, and it never is. Although Maggie found an arrowhead on this very river, not on the sandbar, actually back at Turtle Island. It once was a giant sandbar, and she found an arrowhead on it, and I was super jealous. I could not believe laying right on the sandbar was an actual full intact arrowhead. Do we still have that? Surely we have it. Boom, got it. I don't even know what to call that. What kind of artifact could that be? I know, it's a stupid rock, Eric. I found my treasure. It's not gonna weigh my boat down much. How many rocks do you have right now?
3.
3? That's pretty good for you. Typically we end the trip with the kayaks rattling with rocks. All right, ready? Film me best skip. One time, one good skip. Ready, right here.
Ready?
Oh my gosh, Eric.
You
Terrible.
loser.
You're a terrible stunt man. All right, right here. One more try. Ready?
Oh, you said that was the first and last try.
Ready?
Yep. Ooh!
Money.
Money.
Almost the riverbank. All right, one more try. I'm gonna hit the riverbank. Ready?
Okay, ready.
This one's going through the riverbank. This is a perfect skipping rock. This was created. God created this rock
For
to
skipping.
ride the top of the aqua.
Oh!
Most riverbank. I'll take it. Woo! Woo! Not as deep as I thought it was.
But it's amazing.
Oh, it feels amazing. It does. You're right.
Oh no, the river's taking me.
Okay, back to the boat. Get the boat. Oh! Got something. Got something. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a striper. Oh man, it's got a striper. Yes. Check that out. Oh man, striper bass. Check that out. That is sweet. Multi-species. Striper, baby. Check him out. Beautiful. That's a good bite. Got him. Oh, there's another good one. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, that's a real good fish. Oh man, he's ripping big drag. That's a good one. Let's go. Come on, baby. Yeah, he's not as big, but it's still a good fish. That's the channel cat. Licking River special here. Hey, this is my spot. The magical. boat. When we get here, come on. He's not big, but he's a good one. Still a good one. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Get in there. There we go. There we go. He's not interested in me holding him at all. There he is. There he is. River. Oh yeah, another good fish. Another good fish. Not as big as that. Come on, baby, get in here. And the dogs just went cruising right through there, didn't they? Oh. Where's my net? Oh, the lucky net. Got him.
He's a barker.
Yeah, he's an oinker. Mom filming it, doesn't even get that hook in there. Don't you kick. Another Licking River channel cat. Nice long lean one, huh? Woohoo! Sweet. This spot's live action, isn't it? There's another fish. Good one too. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good fish right there. Oh baby, that's a good fish. That's a good one. Oh. Come on, baby, get him in there. Oh, it's a big old knotty head channel.
Man, he still ain't tired yet?
Not yet. I got 6-pound test. I gotta be careful with
Oh,
him.
do you now?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
He could break. Yeah, I'll let him, he runs too hard. He could break my little line.
Grab him net.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. There you go. Ain't close, is it?
Nah, it's a channel cat.
Is it channel?
Yeah.
Figure being up under there. There you go. Oh, yeah, bud. I wish you good luck, but it looks like you already got it.
Yeah, thanks, buddy. There we go. Got him. Woo! Look, didn't even have a hook in him.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that wild? Yes! Another big channel cat coming live at you.
Turn him around so you see it. There's a big one long.
Okay. That's a good fish. It's a good channel cat. Oh yeah. Let's let him go here. Man, what a hot spot. I'm telling you, there's live action in here. Live action, baby. Thought I wanted to hit it, and it was been hot to trot. Hot to trot. We are at 22% on the battery. That gives me just enough time to try for one more fish. Fins it puts in that line. You think there's another one in there?
I don't know. I don't know. Possibly.
The question is there another fish in this spot? And can I catch it before my battery dies? Got another one on. Oh, another good fish. Oh, stay in there. Come on, baby. Just stacked up channel cat right in this hole. Let's go, baby. Let's go. This is not as big.
But you did answer the question.
Oh, I did. There was another one. Oh my gosh. This is a bass. This is a smallie. Oh my gosh, this is a big old fat belly smallie. It's a football. It's a smallmouth bass. Are you serious right now? Oh my god, this is a big old smallie. Oh, give me the net. I have the net here, I don't know. Oh, come on, baby.
Everything likes shad.
Everything like that. Look at this smallie. Are you serious right now? This is a catch and here for me. Oh, oh my gosh. Are you serious right now? No way. Get out of there. Come on, get out of there. Are you serious? Look at this smallmouth. Smallie on the shad. Look at that football right there. What? Smallmouth on the shad. Licking River showing up. What's up? Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful smallie?
Yeah, I like how you touch it. Its top pops up.
Yeah. What a beautiful fish. Man, that is awesome. That is awesome right there. That is awesome. That's my favorite fish of the day right there. That is a big old smallie. Let's see what he is. Let's do him to my tattoo, so we got a measurement. Hard measurement here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Fingertips straight out to mid tattoo. Fingertip to the middle of my tattoo right there. That's a smallie. We'll get an official measurement on that later. Let's get him back in the water. Look at that beautiful smallie. Oh man. That is awesome. I mean, that is freaking awesome.
He's hanging out right there.
This is the best spot I've fished in a long time. I mean, we've got to throw one more in there, right?
We still have bait.
Playing the beat in the back. This might be it for our spot here. We'll find out. I'd like to see him go down in there. See if there's stuff in the back or not. Here. Another big fish. Come on, baby. That's another good one too. Something running hard. Might not be as big, but it's running hard. Not the biggest one of the day, but he's a good one. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we caught he got a couple pretty big ones today. We don't have anything to measure them away, but
Come on, baby.
yeah.
There we go. Man, another good channel cat. Man, that's fun right there. Yeah, no problem. You can watch it again on my YouTube channel if you want.
You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What is it?
Fishing Ohio. I just started it, so
I'll check it out for you.
yeah. It'll be the Licking River trip here. Good fish right there.
You guys too.
Get the hook out of it here. Here we go. Oh. Well, quick release. Yeah, that's right. Man, that's crazy, isn't it? All right, we're doing really good here. Channel cat. I just don't know if I should quit and cash in and say that's that, or if I should try again.
Well,
Should I try? Do I have any bait left?
You murdered these shad. You might as well use them.
Let's try again.
And then we got to paddle quick, get out of here.
Yep, we're running out of time. We have other obligations we have to get to. But we're going to try one more. If I catch one more fish, I'm done. I'm just going to say it's done. This has been such a good fishing day that I want to leave on top. I'm going to try my luck one more time. The Magic River Shad. Let's see if my magic fishing spot can land one more fish. We've kind of drifted in close to it, haven't we? I think he's got one more in. I'll bet you down here. See if I can get the camera around. So I'm trying this bigger pocket now. It's a bigger spot. Kind of right in the middle of that hole right there. Baby shad. Throw them in the Licking River. See what you catch.
Yeah.
And this bottom setup's been the ticket right here. I don't know if there's any fish left in this hole. I tell you what, I'm glad this hasn't changed. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Underestimate the amount of time we have for this river. Like, you get so enthralled right off the rip.
Whoa, big rock, big rock. I don't know. You can get up in here and catfish this with this epic fishing hole right here. Right here's where it is. This is where it all started, me and catfishing. You see that pointy rock right here on the end, the big flat one, and the one that points up this way? Where Brett set his pool every time we came fishing here, right on that rock edge. We sat right in that little pocket, and we fished out through here.
Yeah, we stopped here when I came with you and Brett the first time.
Yeah.
You guys caught blue cat right here.
This is
I've never seen a blue cat.
this was my catfish hole growing up right here. Oh my gosh, there's a fish on there. Oh man, he's got it too. Oh, yeah, wow. You see, I was not ready. I was fixing my line. Oh man, right there. Off that rock, look at that. Oh man, good fish too. Oh, channel cat. Wow. Last fish of the day right there. Another channel cat. Get him, force him in here. Oh. There might be a channel cat right there. How cool was that? That's Blackhand rock. Okay, here we are, wrapped up, we're done. We finished the kayak trip, Licking River, fishing. That was a lot of fun. Yeah. It's exciting. The scenery through Blackhand Gorge, how about that?
Yeah, there's nothing else like it.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Why did you get you to bring those rocks home?
I do want to fish Blackhand Gorge, and we just haven't got around to it, so we'll get it done. It was a lot of fun out there. I really enjoyed it. Got a little bit of sun. Had to get the long sleeves on.
Next time we're gonna fish the Blackhand Gorge. We're gonna go right to it.
Yeah, the scenery you see at the end of the video, those are really good fishing holes that we don't have the time to fish, because we get lured into these spots prior to getting into Blackhand Gorge, and we spend all our time fishing. But when you're catching fish, it's hard to leave.
Yeah.
You don't leave fish to find fish. So that was our adventure fishing the Licking River, and we hope the next video is just as fun. And thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you next time. Give them a sign off, babe. Thanks for watching Fishing Ohio. I'm using my buddy Shane's inline spinner, custom homemade bait. Licking River special right there on the baby shad. River showing up. What's up?